Hello, my name is Gunnar Hamann. This is location check number 4. This time I feature the Devil's Bridge, also called Rakotzbrücke. It's a little bridge in southern Saxonia, close to the Polish border. I love it because it's really close to my work and I can go there really quick. It's actually a park that features a lot of flowers, so the best time to go there would probably be spring and summer. Also, that's the time when you get the full circle reflection of the bridge, which it's intent to show. You can, of course, get a lot of other vantage points, and they may or may not give you that perfect circle and reflection. That is supposed to be seen from the very beginning, very front of the lake. There's a park bench, and then that's the right spot. You come from the parking lot and then there are signs and then you can't miss that. So yeah, you see this lake is quite long and stretchy, so if you want to light up the whole area, it's quite a run if you do that at night by yourself. If you get some help, people can help you. Yeah. In fall or autumn, to say, it's another good time because all the leaves turn yellow and red and brown. But they also end up on the lake, so if you want to see the reflection, you may or may not get lucky, depending on wind, if the leaves are on the side, or like I got lucky that the Red Bull team just in 2016 when they got the photo of the year thing going. Yeah, they cleared out the lake from all the leaves and then took a BMX driver crossing the bridge, which is absolutely forbidden. So what I'm trying to say is don't go on top of the bridge. It's forbidden. Also, don't do flyovers like I did back then, but back then there was no sign. It wasn't prohibited. So this is old footage from me. I wish I could do it better, but this is one of my first flights. Anyhow, here's a shot that I got from the very same day they shot the photo of the year. Clear lake, perfect reflection. Yeah, running around, lighting up the one side, then the other side, light up the bridge, and then go beyond and in the background light up that area. Sometimes I get some help, so I have to thank a lot of people. Yeah, and if you like this location check, you can give me a like and follow. And I hope this was a very helpful little video for you. Thank you very much.